Okay, so this is a demo of how to jazz up your email signature with one or more images. So to create an email signature, as I'm sure you're aware, you go to Settings. I'm on my a test user here, and then if you scroll down you'll get this blank box here. So you can put in your email signature here. And you can do some formatting here. So I can go test demo weekly part school. I can change the colour of the text. I can also make it larger and smaller and stuff like that. But if you want to put a picture in, what you have to do is click on the picture link, and then you have to put in the image URL. So what's that? Well, you need to host an image somewhere, and then you need to paste that image in there. So the easiest way to do that is just using a Google document. So I'll go into this user's drive. I'm going to create a blank document, and let's say I just wanted to put in an image, and that's it, and I'm going to put that somewhere into that email signature. So I'm going to go to Insert Image. Now you can get the image from your Google Drive, you can get the image from a locally held picture, wherever you want. So I'm just going to choose one from stuff that I've got downloaded. I'll choose the Wheatley Park School tree, and we've got that image in there. Now to get that image onto the email signature, what you have to do is share this document. You've got to give it a name. Let's call it SIG. And then you have to change it so it's public on the web. So anybody receiving your email has actually rights to view that picture. Okay, that's all you're going to put on there. And you're going to have it can view so nobody can change it. So you click on Save. And that's more or less it. But we need to right click on the image now and copy image URL. So this is what we're going to put into the email signature bit. So you click on that, go back to your email signature, and let's say I wanted that underneath there. I'd click on there, image URL, Control V to paste, and you'll see the picture of the tree comes up. That's a public image now, available on the web, read only. And there we've got our email signature with a picture in. And you can do a little bit of a resizing on that. I wouldn't suggest having it that big. That's a bit more reasonable. Okay, so that just puts it in. However, you might want to be a little bit cleverer than that, and you might want to have that tree over here somewhere. And within the editing of your email signature, you can actually do that. But it is possible to do. So I'm just going to copy that bit of text there, and I'll go back to the signature document here, give it a space. I'm going to create a table. Might seem like a bit of a faff, but you only ever do it once. So I'm going to create a 2-column table, paste that bit in there. I'm going to put the tree in the other half of the table. I'm going to put it a little bit close together like that. I think I'm going to have that a wee bit smaller, like that. Okay, and then I'm going to highlight the whole table, and I'm going to get rid of the borders. So I'm going to go to Table Properties and set the border width to 0, so there's no border. So we've got something that looks like that now. Now that isn't actually an image yet. So what I'm going to do now is take a screenshot of that to turn it into an image. So you can either do that with something like the Windows snipping tool, or you can do it with the screen grab tool on a Chromebook, or in my case I'm going to do Windows S because I've got OneNote running on here, and then you just grab it like that, copy to the clipboard, and then I'm just going to paste it back into this document, but now it's an image. The whole thing is one image. And if I right click on that, copy image URL, go back to my mail setting, just get rid of everything that's there, and I'm going to put in insert image. Put in that new URL, and we've got our tree just to the right where we wanted it. So you can put as many images in as you want. Make sure that they're not copyrighted images or anything that you shouldn't be putting in there. It does warn you about putting in images that you don't own into an email signature. That's about it. That's all there is to it. All you have to make sure you do is don't delete that file. Just put it somewhere safe in your drive, forget it exists, or you can go back and edit it at some point if you want to create a new email signature which has a picture in. Okay, thanks for watching. That's all there is to it.